Swimsuits are a fashion statement to be made in any season. And this morning, Monique Golding, the brand manager from DTS Swim, joins us to talk about their custom-made swimsuit styles and why they are so popular. Hi, Monique.
Hi, Garth.
How are you?
I'm great. How are you?
Yeah, I'm pretty good. I mean, I'm always up for being out on the beach or at a river.
Nice.
You know, and I don't own any of these pieces, obviously, because I can't model them, but I've got some trunks and stuff that I like wearing. But you've got an amazing line of swimsuits. So let's talk a little bit about DTS swimwear. What's the focal point of DTS?
All right, so the focal point for DTS is basically we try to give our customers quality, uniqueness, and diversity. Diversity being, you know, with females, we come in different sizes and we want all our females to feel comfortable, have that sass, you know, feel confident, so we don't leave no one woman behind.
Right. So I guess it's a good balance of great fashion plus functionality, because it's not just about, you know, tanning on the beach. You really want people to actually go in the water.
Because it's a luxury brand, so we want to give our customer that type of feel.
Mm-hmm. How are the swimsuits designed?
The swimsuits are designed by our designer, so it depends on which mood she's in. And we export some of our, import some of our fabric raw materials from overseas. And it depends on the trend, what's in. So, you know, zebra print is in and neutrals and all of that.
Also, what else is in for this? I think you're talking about summer 22, right?
Right. So, you know, black and white is totally in different prints. So we incorporate the black and white, and we incorporate the blues and all of that.
You mentioned the mood of your design and kind of determining how some styles are created. Do you have swimsuits for different moods?
Well, it depends, because with this one and this one, she was feeling a bit risky. So she was like, let's go naked, because naked is actually wearing this season.
Is it?
Right. So this is called the ukubit.
The ukubit.
So, yeah.
Yeah. Are the names of the different outfits Jamaican inspired? So like I have ukubit, do you have other types?
Yeah, so we have banger. It's not shown now, but we probably have some clippings. So the majority of the swimwear are named off Jamaican songs. Just like Ukubit.
Yeah.
This is by Idonia.
Right.
She was listening to that.
How about this one? Is this one? No, this looks a little different.
This is Set Good. So it wasn't
Set
named.
Good.
Yeah, it wasn't named off a song.
Like ice in a freezer, Set Good?
Probably.
All right. And then
this one is called The Mood.
The Mood.
But it's definitely a mood. It's totally giving. The sleeve, the big hands, like, this is everything. The hat, totally a mood.
What are some of your most popular pieces? Well, certainly over this summer. All
right, the popular pieces is the Set Good, the Ukubit, and the Banger and the Ginger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why are those so popular, do you think?
I guess because of the versatility of it. Because with the top of it, with especially this, you can switch it out for a different bottom. The bottom can be switched out to something different. With this, you can always use a different cover up. So it's just the versatility of it. Right.
Now, you made mention of different moods to inspire what your customers will wear. But let's talk about the different colors that are used in the designs. I know that you mentioned that stripes and so on are in for summer 22. The mood is blue, but are there other uses of color, and what determines those uses?
Again, depends on the trend. So like last season, we had an all-white collection, because we drop the collection every Easter, every year. Okay. So we had the Athena collection, which was all-white, where we had for Miami season, because we wanted to actually make a statement, to actually pop. So white was actually in last year, but again, now it's really neutrals, the nudes and all of that.
Is Easter the only time you drop your collection?
Yeah, to enter for summer.
Yeah, and what's the response usually like when, you know, are people anticipating your collection every Easter, like waiting for it?
Yes, we have a good anticipation from our customers, because they're like, what's new, what we're gonna come with, you understand? And then for this collection, we did promise the ladies that we're gonna come out for them, because we wanted to introduce swimwear for bigger bust women. Because, you know, it's hard for women with bigger bust size to find something that is sexy, comfortable, and you know, not full coverage.
And still functional.
Right, so we have executed that. So this is one of them. It can be made, everything is customizable. So it's not stick to the point, stick to the books. You understand? So.
Oh, so they can reach out to you and go, hey, listen, I am a so-and-so size bust. Can you design something for me? Yeah. Now, let's talk about the use of fabric, the types of fabric that you use. I've seen swimwear like crocheted and so on. But what types of fabrics do you use specifically, or does the brand use specifically, or mainly?
Well, we use cotton and we use 100% linen. So these are cotton and this is chiffon material. So we're all over the place, basically.
And does the use of fabric, is that determined by, well, I mean, you're going to be outdoors, you're going to be on the beach, it's sunny, it's likely to be warm. Do these fabrics that you use ensure that, you know, you still remain comfortable even?
Yes, especially with the spandex material, which is typically used on bikinis. With spandex, it gives you, you know, a snatched feel and, you know, keep everything functional and looks good. So spandex is the way to go.
Do you have any favorites from this year's collection?
My favorite is actually the ukubit because it's actually a thong. I like thongs, and I like the little statement pieces here, and the enchanted, which I'm wearing, it comes in different colors, so again, it's customizable.
All right, you mentioned you're wearing the enchanted, which is the cover.
Right. So you can wear it to the beach, and you can wear it out. Rich auntie vibes. So yeah.
What are the most popular ones, though? Well, you did mention that the ukubit, the ginger,
and the set good.
And the set good are the most popular. When do you start determining what you're going to use in the following year's collection? So let's say for next year, 2023, what starts to inspire you? Beyond global trends, are there any, you know, internal things that, you know, like in your own little meeting room, your ideation center, like maybe we could try this for next year based on last year or previous
So
years?
really and truly, we have to see where things are actually going, what the crowd is really wanting, really and truly. So we really depend on trends because we can't go against the trend because people won't buy that necessarily. And it depends on, again, her mood. What she's, because there's not really a lot of ways to make a swimsuit, to be honest. So we just have to think out the box.
Yeah. You find out a lot of men get in touch with you to go, hey, listen, I want to gift something to...
Yes, and I love when they do that because I'm like, yes, sir, I see you. And, you know, we have to help them out to say, okay, you know, I think she'd probably like this, go with this and all that. And
quickly, just before we close, what would you advise men to think of when they're, you know, calling in to customize? What should we bear in mind when...
Think of your lady, think of the colors that she likes, think about her comfortableness, if she would like to go naked or not, you know, thong or Brazilian. So keep it, you have to know her, basically, and then we can work from there.
All right. How do we interact with the brand?
So you can call us or DM us. So call us 803-5150, DM us DTS Swim, and you can reach out to us on our website, which is DTS Swim.
All right, good stuff. Thank you very much, Monique and models. That's Monique Golding, the brand manager from DTS. Now we've got more on Smile right after the break, so don't go nowhere.